I In this problem, we're given the area of the bigger triangle ABC to be 272 centimeters squared. Then we are required to find the area of the red portion, a quadrilateral BDEC. To solve this, it is evident that there are two triangles, triangle ADE, which is smaller, and the unshaded triangle, and the bigger triangle that comprises the shaded and the unshaded parts, triangle ABC. We're given the side AD of the smaller triangle, 5 centimeters, while the side AC of the bigger triangle is 10 centimeters. Then the area of the bigger triangle is 272 centimeters squared. The first thing we want to do here is try to establish similarity between the triangles. And to do that, it is obvious that the two triangles have angle A. So we can say that angle A is equal to angle A in both triangles. That's a common angle. It is also given that angle ADE from the smaller triangle is equal to angle ACB from the bigger triangle. That one is given by the marks that we see in blue. This automatically follows that angle AED from the smaller triangle must be congruent to angle B or ABC of the bigger triangle. That is because once any two corresponding angles are equal in two triangles, then the third angle will definitely be equal. We call that AA. Therefore, we can conclude that triangle ADE is similar to triangle ACB. And if they are similar, then the ratio of their corresponding sides should be constant. The side AD from the smaller triangle actually corresponds to the side AC of the bigger triangle. So the ratio of these two sides must be a constant, which is called the scale factor or the linear scale factor. Therefore, the scale factor for these similar triangles is 5 centimeters over 10 centimeters, and that simplifies to 1 over 2. From the linear scale factor, we can then find the area factor. That is the ratio of the areas. And this is always the square of the linear factor or the scale factor. So it's going to be, in this case, the square of half. That is 1 over 4. This tells us that the smaller triangle is having an area which is a quarter of the area of the bigger triangle. That is, the area of the bigger triangle is 4 times the area of the smaller one. And therefore, from here, we can actually calculate the area of the smaller triangle. So area of triangle ADE to be a quarter of the area of the bigger one, triangle ABC, 272 centimeters squared. So the area of the smaller triangle is 68 centimeters squared. The red area is the difference between the areas of these two. So area of the quadrilateral BDEC is the area of the bigger triangle, 272 centimeters squared, minus the area of the smaller triangle, 68 centimeters squared. And this is 204 centimeters squared. So the shaded area is 204 centimeters squared. It is my belief that you enjoyed today's math tutorial. Please do share your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for watching, and bye.